autism.
Yeah.
Blue. Okay.
I got a lot of autism. Look, you pull on him. Why you turn red?
Init.
You're like the lady from Turning Red.
Turning red.
The mom.
Ang ani man ko, hot. Mister,
What are more lighted colors?
For real.
Oh, good switch.
It's soft. What kind of polka dot? Come on, boy.
Look, the flower.
yeah.
Yeah, they come at distance. Yes, exactly. Just like when you're in bear country or like you see a moose or something.
It's balas. That's nice. That's nice flower, no?
Don't touch it.
Huh?
What if it's poisonous?
It's not.
It's not? Are you sure?
Is the bee,
Like
oh.
last time, I
No,
touched
if there is
poison
the
ivy,
bee, dili na poisonous on IB, oh. See?
and I called it a blue ivy. Oh, look, it's a blue ivy.
We have one at our hotel.
We're going to one more stop where they make movies.
It's Radiator Spring. Very powdery. Wait, this is like Sand Hollow sand. No, not yet. We'll go to the beach in Utah. Yeah, Sand Hollow. It's like this kind of sand. Clear water.
More likely to like more in the country of war. I haven't watched the Grammys yet,
Ito, oh. My frog.
but I did watch the Oscars. Oh, how was that?
This one too.
What do you think?
Yeah, it's like frog.
Mga gidno sa ni tipo.
Sila nag-post sa basado. Sila nag-
The what?
Abot ba?
Yeah. Cows right there, but not on the front. Where you need it. See, this one's not bad. The
Oh.
sand. Okay,
Why?
the cloud's covering right now.
Ang malisilong sa kay
Yeah,
Na, tikod mo eh.
it's not bad. You can start working. It's not
oh,
covered.
Tikod no?
balas.
Tikod.
Asa siya? Bunbun or balas?
Bunbun.
What are you doing? That's sand, mom.
Wala ta. Protektahan sa gobyerno ba? Sa tuwa. So, historical kwan place. Mga kwan sa mga lumad.
No.
Ato kay
Ah, yeah. Dili na kainit, oh, kay nagkuha ng cloud. Ayo.
Yeah, they always have comfy.
diri ang kwan. Di lang takasabot sa ilang gipasabot ana.
No, they probably tell you.
Haman ana.
Kana diha mga
No, they drew a
writing.
mammoth. There's a mammoth right here.
Ila na nang gikuan.
There's like a picture of a mammoth. It looks like a mammoth.
Oh, kana ibabaw. No. Yan na sila gipang sulat diha. Itong time nga diri pa ang nag-stay ang mga lumad.
I want to volunteer removing graffiti.
Ila na ka years. 1,000 years na siguro ha.
Ay na.
Let me draw a mural.
Ano siya?
How come they get to do it?
Pao, tubay kayo.
Because they're from here.
Baka ka diha.
The deer.
Okay.
That one with the antlers?
Look at.
Nag-export daya in
Ano niya?
ang mga ninuno kadtong mga
Sulat nila sa bato.
diri, mga lumad.
XXX.
Karon
Pila na ka X?
diktado na siya. Ano diri mga turista na. Magsuroy-suroy.
I like the antler one.
Lapita
That one's pretty nice.
Valley of Fire.
That one looks like kangaroo.
Dili na sila mamuyo.
Have you seen that for
Dili na sila mamuyo sa unahan ni.
No, I have not.
Para na ay na bangag.
Don't
Hindi na ang
tell
bata
me
diha.
about that because then you're gonna freak me out and then I'm gonna want to leave. So let's.
Nana ang kahimtang. Unang pagkain. Panayon pa. Pwede ka pa mga editing ko lang.
Nice.
Mom, your flash is on. That's why your battery keeps dying.
Kumakita.
Mom, this is.
End of trail. 100 feet, 30 meters.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Dito na tubig dito oh.
Ano ba anak dia pa eh? Uy, Mister. Dangerous dah. Ay, anak dia anak. Ini na, kamagriso na kagbalik. No, stop na. Why? Balik na ta. Utro po ni isa. Hala, balik na mo. Hey. Balik na init ta kaistanan.
That was more so like I don't want the keys to fall down this hole.
Ya, anak, matupo siya anak no.
Look, there's drawings there too.
Ang kay
I think they draw on the black areas only.
nao. Ano, pwede ras lang matugyan na. Bato.
It's like imagine they're trying to read something, they have to climb a rock.
Yeah.
Ano din na?
Yeah.
Kanang zip?
Tambakan gid ka. That's fine. It's not poisonous. That dude's chilling. He look like me. Oh, I just peered.